Hello, this is the showcase of the car price prediction model. So basically how it works, so we have a variety of car models to select. So if yours is not there, then, but we do have like maybe like hundreds of models there. You input the year it was made, so let's say 2016 was made, and then the miles, like 15,000. So this model works best with like mid-price cars, not really like really expensive cars like Tesla Model X. It would predict badly, but let's go with something like the Ford Mustang. So we got Ford Mustang. Okay, predict price. So right here it got 27,000. So let's try to maybe like search for a Ford Mustang. See Ford Mustang for sale, 2016 model. Okay, okay, 94,000 miles. So let's. Okay, it's really accurate. So 2016, 94,000 miles. 2016, 94,000, 17,500. So that's pretty accurate. And then right here, you can keep track of which cars you predicted. So maybe let's do like a Dodge Challenger. So we have that. Okay, so let's see, 2014. Let's say like 12,000 miles. Okay, 24,000. So it's added here, and then now it's like in a curve. Okay, so let's actually see how our model does. So let's look at the analytics. So right here, as you can see, uh, it it does get pretty inaccurate as you get towards the end. But as you can see in the middle, all the cluster is around that 25,000 mark is a sweet spot where like the actual price and the predicted very accurate. So you won't. So if your car is like around that price, it'll be really accurate. So as you can see, that is because most of the cars are trained around most of the data set does have cars at around 10 to 20,000, 20 to 30,000, and as you can see, it further proves my point. It's almost 50% accuracy here, 49% here. So yeah, so for how I built it, I built I first built it in a Jupyter notebook, the model. And then I use PyTorch and the Atom Optimizer for the PyTorch. So, and then here's the model, and I use Matplotlib for that. And then here are some stats, and then the epochs, mean squared error, r squared. So yeah, and then I exported the model into a .pth file, and then here's Flask, and then I read the wait, no, that's not. So then I imported it into my app, and then I ran it on the servers. So, and then also and then here's my front end right here. So it's gonna use a API to communicate with the Flask, and then yeah, it sends requests and it gets the data, and then it showcases there as you just saw. So I use Next.js by Vercel, which is like React TypeScript. So yeah, so model sets, and then there's like the navigation header. So yeah, thank you. So I decided I also want to add my inspiration towards creating an app. So essentially, I created this app to kind of promote transparency throughout the market, so people get more knowledge on like what is worth what, and also to help low-income people who really don't have much financial knowledge in selling cars. Maybe they have like a used car, or they're struggling financially and they need to sell their car for money. So yeah, provide knowledge on for those people, and just overall keep the balance of the market and stop people from getting scammed in general. So, yeah, I've seen lots of people get scammed for like stuff completely unrelated to cars, but yeah, cars is just one of many topics people get scammed in, and you could do the same feature with so many more items, but cars is just one example.